So welcome friends. Today we'll discuss Sonata Software Ltd. It's a mid-cap company with a market cap of about 15,000 crores. The company is in existence for last 38 years and provides IT solutions. And as of financial year 24, they have achieved a revenue of $1 billion. That is about 8,300 crores. The company has grown with a CAGR of about 15.10% for last 10 years, and its current market cap is about 2.4 billion. And they've got a workforce of about 6,400 engineers across the globe in the US, in Europe, in Asia, and in Australia and New Zealand. And they have about 18 different nationalities. They are serving their clients from 27 development centers and sale offices, and there were 4 partners and 6 global delivery centers across the world. And the industries that they cater to is TMT, technology, media, and telecom; R&D, retail, manufacturing, travel, and distribution; BFSI, banking, finance, services, and insurance; HLS, health and life sciences. They're partnered with companies like AWS, Microsoft, ServiceNow, Snowflake, SAP, MetricStream, Salesforce, Google Cloud, and they've got innovations in terms of IPs from LISA chatbot, workbox.io, and Lightning Build. The company's objective is to be the fastest growing modernizing engineering company, and its goal is to achieve a revenue of $1.5 billion by the end of financial year FY 2026, and to achieve international EBITDA at about lows of 20s. The company achieved 1 billion revenue run rate in FY 24, and at the same time it became a $2 billion company in terms of market cap. The stock has given a return of about 90% to its shareholder over a period of 1 year. Though today it dropped by about 15%, and which was a significant drop from its peak. And from its peak, it's about I think 30% down. It made a high of 839, and today it was at about 555. They are currently pursuing 67 large deals, and 52% of these large deal pipelines are from Fortune 500 clients. They had a key deal win from a top financial services bank, which is about $3.9 million over 1 year, and E2E data platform modernization to cloud. And the large deal pipeline consists of 31 in the RMD segment, 13 in TMT segment, 13 in HLS segment, 4 in BFSI segment, and 6 in their emerging segment. The top 10 clients for Q4 FY24 uh, is two clients, and they have added two new clients in FY24. And for Fortune 500, as of Q4 FY24, they had three clients, and they have added seven clients in FY24. 30% of top 10 accounts are Fortune 500 companies, vis-a-vis 30% in the previous year. Outside of top 10, the company has added seven new Fortune 500 logos during the year. So the large deal that the company had was a top 10 US commercial bank, wherein they're offering wide range of financial. The client is offering wide range of financial services. The scope of work is to build effective single view of customer for the customer across its businesses, and to enhance customer experience, integrated relationship management, predictive analytics, and data governance. They had a key deal win in Gen AI implementation also, and the customer is a US based tech organization. They generate the evidence and insight to help pharmaceutical, biotech, medical devices, and diagnostic companies and academic research accelerate value, minimize risks, and optimize outcomes. The scope of work is to design and build Gen AI architecture and governance, partnering with AWS, build cloud native Gen AI architecture, improve engineering productivity, improve patient diversity, onboarding, regulatory report, and accelerating client trials. So the key bets for the future is Microsoft Fabric, where they have a pipeline created across 75 plus customers, and the company believes that Fabric as infrastructure for all AI deals, mid-sized deal wins will materialize in the coming years. AI and Gen AI Harmony.ai was launched in financial year FY24, and the pipeline created is across 90 plus customers, and mostly it will be the mid-size deals, deals that the company is focusing on, and they have got joint go-to-market strategies with Microsoft, AWS, Snowflake, and Salesforce. They focus on continued verticalization, focused GTM, large deals, and mega accounts. So the company is gearing towards building an AI-first culture, and they are already helping three clients. So the to achieve AI goals, they have partnered with Microsoft and AWS, wherein they have already trained 54% of their employees, and active conversation is on with 90 plus accounts, and they have 30 programs deployed so far, and they are pursuing a large deal with a tech behemoth, and one a mid-sized deal with a leading healthcare player so far, and all functions identifying and implementation Gen AI is in the process. The company has aligned its go-to-market strategy with their partners for cloud, app modernization, They have partnered with Microsoft, AWS, Google Cloud, and Core Stack for data and analytics. They have again partnered with Microsoft, AWS, Snowflake, Tamar, PKWare, Google Cloud, Next Pathway, Big ID, Qlik. Then for Microsoft business apps, they have got Microsoft as a platform, then Zara and MSFT marketplace partners, then experience transformation again from Microsoft, SAP, Salesforce, ServiceNow, hyperautomation from Microsoft, UiPath, and managed services from Microsoft, AWS, and ServiceNow. So Sonata is named again in the inner circle for Microsoft Business Application 2023. Now we'll have a look at the key financials of the company. As I told you earlier, the market cap of the company is 15,000 crores. The current stock price is 546. Today it dropped by about 15%. It made a 52-week high of 870 and 52-week low of 401. The stock PE is 37.3. Book value is 50.2. That means it's trading at about 10 times the book value. And dividend yield is 1.45. ROC is 35.5%, ROE is 30.3%, debt to equity is 0.54%, and promoters hold about 28.2% of the company. So now having a look at the quarterly results, there's a dip of revenue from 2,493 crores to 2,192 crores. It's about it's a dip of about 2%, and the operating margins have also dropped from 8% to 7%, and operating profit has dropped significantly by about 30% from 208 crores to 144 crores. So this is one of the reasons why the company, why the stock fell today by about 15%. And there was one more reason, that the company was to close a deal in Q4 FY24, which didn't happen, though it's still active and it might take about another quarter or two to materialize that deal. So that became another reason for the company's nosedive today. And if we look at the yearly performance of the company, the sales have grown from 7,449 crores to 8,613 crores. The operating profit margin on a yearly basis is consistent at about 8%, and accordingly, the net profit has a drop from 452 crores to 308 crores. And this is mainly due to the acquisition of a company in US, for which they have taken up a loan, and they are incurring some expenses there in terms of paying interest. You can see that 85 crores so far they have paid as interest, and this is going to spill over for a couple of quarters further, because they haven't got any. They have some go ahead to be given from Reserve Bank of India to square off a part of that loan that they have taken to acquire that company. Having a look at the balance sheet, the reserves are at 1,379 crores. Borrowings has increased from 590 crores to 765 crores. And if we have a look at the shareholding pattern now, the promoters hold 28.17% in the company, FIs hold a decent 13.94% in the company, DIs hold 19.05% in the company, and public holds 37.8% in the company. So this is it about Sonata Software Limited. We'll meet up soon in a new video. Till then, take care and have a good time.